Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this KNKA Dehumidifier. 95 ounces water tank. These are 850 square feet. Quite dehumidifier for the basement, for the bathroom, RV, closet, for the bedroom, with auto shut off action. And sleep mode. We have 7 colors LED light. This is a dehumidifier for home. It is possible to get this in black, white, or in white and black. We have here powerful performance. This small dehumidifier efficiently absorbs up to 40 ounces excess moisture per day. It's tested at 86 degrees Fahrenheit with 80% of RH. It keeps the room humidity below 45%. The suitable humidity for the human body is 40 up to 60 degrees percent of the RH. Basement dehumidifier is effectively eliminate damp odor and improve the human comfort. The dehumidifier can cover 850 square feet and are perfect for the bathroom, for the basement, for the bedroom, and the RVs. And we can sleep very well with that. Thanks to the advanced semiconductor technology in sleep mode, the small bathroom dehumidifier noise level is lower than 30 decibels, which will not keep us awake at night. And the portable dehumidifier light will automatically turn off. And with an overflow out to stop protection. This small room dehumidifier is designed with a smart out to stop function. When the water tank is full or positioned incorrectly, this home dehumidifier will automatically stop working to prevent water overflow. This features ensures us our safety and convenience even when we are not at home device. To reduce the frequency of emptying the water tank, specially equipped the dehumidifier with a 95-ounce large capacity water tank. And it's really user-friendly. This air dehumidifier for home use has a simple design that's set up in seconds, just a couple of buttons to control power, lights, and quiet sleep mode. A quiet dehumidifier with a compact size of 13.7 to 7.95 to 6.22 inches. It can be seamlessly integrated into any space. We have 7 color night lights. This dehumidifier is also equipped with a beautiful light-emitted diode light, which not only adds a touch of elegance to the device, but also acts as a functional indicator light. The red light turns on when the tank is full, or it is wrong positioned. Even in dimly lit rooms, the soft lighting also allows us to easily monitor the status of the equipment. That ensures us are always aware of its performance. And it makes a good job, because this model is the CS06. The capacity of it is 1,100 milliliter per day in 30 degrees Celsius and 80% HR. The rated power is 80 watt. The rated voltage is from 220 to up to 240 voltage, so it's European compatible. The product size is 202 up to 158 to 350 millimeter. The net weight is 2.5 kilogram roundabout. The operation environment is from 15 degrees Celsius up to 40, so you can use it. The water tank volume is 2.5 liter, and this brings us a good humidifying solution for our home climatic environment. This is the KNKA dehumidifier, 95 hours water tank included. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.